Welcome back to this brand new video coming back to you from Tageero, the number one affiliate marketing training where I teach you guys step by step how to start an affiliate marketing business and how to choose a product and all this good stuff. If you are new to this channel, please make sure to smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, and comment below what you guys suggest me to do on the next videos. So today's video is how to choose a product and how to define and how to build your landing page. So if you guys don't have an account, you click sign up, or you can click from here, start promoting. Clickbank, it's over 200 countries and has been in business for 20 years. They have paid out $4.2 billion. So it's very nice network. Now, what you got to do is come to marketplace, and then once you sign in and you get your account has been active, you come to the categories and choose a product. For this video, I'm going to show you how to do e-business and e-marketing. And then all you got to do is never promote something that you see here if you are new. But if you are very advanced, then you can check the gravity. I like to promote something that is above 30 gravity and more. So another good thing that I choose is I click here and then I choose the last 3 months, and I see the gravity 43 is good, and then I can start promoting this. For example, we'll click this, and then once we click it, we have to check the what is this about, and we can start promoting. For example, all you got to do is click here to access your partner, and then once we click that, or we can come in here and we can click promote if it's and then we can get the hop link from here as well. All right, so now what we got to do is watch the video, and then we have to be started to promote. The commission, it says high commission region 600 per sale, an average of 1,400 that is sold. All right, so now since we have our product, we have choose the product. What we got to do is come to builder, which is going to be the landing page builder, and build our landing page. Now we have been we have a funnel that we have been built it already. So if you want to get this funnel, all you got to do is sign up to builder using my link, and I'm just going to send you this landing page. All you got to do is tweak it, or you can add your autoresponder, which is going to be AWeber, and then you are good to go. AWeber is an email marketing that I've been using for a while, for many years now, for over 4 years now, and this is one of my accounts. So you can get 30 days free trial down in the description as well. So now since we have all this together, excuse me, now what we got to do is come to the Udemy to start driving traffic. Udemy is a solo ads. There's people that have a big list, and you can buy lists from them, and you can do whatever. As you can see, I have an order with this person that he has driving traffic, and he 45% of people that buys from him, they get a sale. He has 1,200 likes, and you can buy from him. For example, if you buy 1,000, you'll be paying 400. But my bonus for you guys is if you use the link in the description, you'll get free $5 of your purchase. So instead of you paying 403, you'll be paying 398. Okay, so that's gonna be your bonus. All you gotta do is add to cart, and you're good to go. And so also, if you are interested in the free ad form, which is going to be placing your ads on free forms, this it doesn't cost you any money. All you gotta do is sign up to an account, and then as you can say, it say post your affiliate offers, business opportunities, Clickbank promotion, and many more. And if you want to pay money, there's going to be $5 for 90 days, and you can highlight your offers in here. All these offers are Clickbank offers. They are doing this because they are getting success with them. This site is totally built for affiliates, and it's very good. So um, that's how you make an account. If you want me, there's a tutorial that I did entirely for the free ad forum, which is the yesterday video. So make sure to watch the video. I'm gonna leave a link to it, or you can check the eye and then you can watch the video, so you can learn how to make an account and how to add your ad in here. I hope you guys like this video. Please make sure to like, subscribe to the channel, and leave your suggestions in the description, in the comment below, and I will pretty much I'll answer all your questions. So thanks for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow.